And you're gonna speak kind of loud. All right.
Put me on the spot.
Yeah, I'm putting you on the spot.
He likes to do this.
Yes.
I know.
I have no problem embarrassing people. Ask my kids. Okay, so 90 days ago, you had 54% loss. You were in the severe category. And your main concern, you've been driving a bus for how long?
20 years.
20 years. And you love to do it.
Love it. It's my passion.
You're passionate. Aren't you glad we have a bus driver for our school kids that's so passionate about it? And I'm thinking it's not real safe when you can't feel your feet to drive a bus. And that's really, I think, the thing that drove you in to try to solve this problem.
Right. I had to come in. My feet was messed up. And that means my bus would be messed up and I probably hurt somebody.
Yeah.
So by coming in and let you do what you do best, I'm 83% better.
Well, we appreciate you doing your part. It's been a fun journey.
Yes.
Thank you.